Monday, and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. My name is Jan. I'm one of the co-founders of Toggle, and for those of you joining us for the first time, welcome. This is in this video we typically take one of the insights that has been generated by Toggle across 15,000 assets, particularly some of the single stocks here in the US, and take a deeper dive just to give you a sense for how you might be able to take advantage of Toggle to do your own analysis and hopefully supercharge your own investing. If you'd like to see more of these insights, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or else you can also check us out on toggle.global, where you can sign up and try Toggle Copilot for free. And that's the system that we use here. Now, the focus today is going to be on Energy Transfer. It's a company that many of you will be familiar with, and as you can see, Toggle has been highlighting in the asset overview a range of positive pressures, and early on, in fact, there's been quite a culmination of these that resulted in a pretty big move up, and it now has been repeatedly signaling again that there's potentially quite a bit of upside potential for this particular stock. Now, the one that we're going to take a look at today is based on a combination of sentiment and positive seasonality. So clicking on this analysis will show us the details of this latest driver that Toggle has highlighted. It's a combination of sentiment indicators declining for global economy. In fact, there's some rising uncertainty, effectively to do with the presumably the third wave that we're seeing in Europe for the pandemic, and also potentially the uncertainty about where exactly growth is going to be for the global economy on the back of a lot of the fiscal stimulus and monetary stimulus that has been injected, combined with some positive seasonality, is suggesting actually that this could be quite a positive short-term outcome for Energy Transfer. Over the following 1 month, the stock has historically gained almost 4% on the basis of 12 similar occasions in the past. And what you can see here again is the starting price of 785, 815 would be the target price within this time frame. Obviously, it can happen a lot sooner, and the confidence interval here is where you would like to see the stock remain. If it were to dip below 770, that's the place where you would place a stop loss and potentially at a minimum reevaluate the thesis. Looking at why it might move, you can see these other periods. So of course the seasonality from here has been positive, combined with the declining sentiment, and as you combine these two, you can see that overall this has been quite a good hit ratio and relatively good period short term for the stock. Of course, even over the longer run, it's been quite positive, but the hit ratio has then declined. Looking at the back test as well, you can see actually that with the exception of a couple of occurrences here that were down 2%, that the upside is definitely quite compelling. In fact, there were some occasions where the overall gain was quite a bit larger than 4%, but nonetheless, there's a bit of a cluster here at 4%, and that overall, especially in the recent episodes, you would have made quite a bit of money if you had invested $1 and then reinvested it in each of these past 12 episodes, which is what this is highlighting. Anyway, so much for the Energy Transfer today. We also discussed Tesla in the daily brief today. If you're already subscribed, it should be in your mailboxes by now. If you don't have it, please go to toggle.global and you can sign up there. In the meantime, thank you for your attention, and we'll see you again tomorrow.